Hello everyone, my name is Dominic, and I'm one of the product specialists here at SpyCentre Security, the Spy Gear Superstore. Today I'm here to talk to you about the flip-out key fob hidden video recorder. Be sure to visit our website, SpyCentre.com, and if you would like to purchase this product, you can click on the link in the upper right-hand corner, or go to the description below and click on the link there. Here in my hand is a keyless entry remote for a vehicle. Actually, that part doesn't work, but hidden in front is a high-definition spy camera that records both audio and video in 1080p high definition. I find this to be a pretty clever design, as nearly every modern car comes with a set almost just like this. At some point during their day, all drivers will carry their keys in their hand, making this hidden video recorder available at a moment's notice. Just like a regular key fob, it has little ridges for your thumbs to read your position, so with practice you can turn it on and off to record without looking or showing your hand. First, you always want to charge the hidden body-worn camera, which takes 3 hours to receive a full charge. When you've finished recharging, the 1080p spy camera lasts for about an hour and a half. This will enable use for long conversations or to record many short ones throughout the day. You can store up to 6 hours of footage onto the 64GB SD card, the maximum size it can handle. This key fob camera is pretty tricky with how it hides the SD card slot under the actual key. You're going to pull the back plating down and wiggle it out of place. There's a micro SD card that fits right here, and that will click in and out when you need to install or remove it. To start a recording, press the unlock button and you will see a light turn on. Once the light shines, press and hold the middle truck button for a couple of seconds to start the recording. That light goes away after a few seconds, and there aren't any beeps, vibrations, or flashing lights during the recording. Stop the recording by clicking the unlock button to go back into standby mode. Or if you press and hold the unlock button for a couple of seconds, that will stop the recording and turn it off completely. When it's in the standby mode with that red light flashing, you can click the truck button once to make that light flash. That's going to snap a high-res 4032 by 3024 photograph. The lock button also has two functions as well. If you click it once, that's going to enable your night vision, allowing you to see a few feet out from the camera. But pressing and holding that trunk button will enable your motion detection mode. Please keep in mind that the motion detection does not increase the battery life. Next, we'll go through an unboxing to show you what comes with the flip-out key fob hidden video recorder. Then we'll show you a quality demonstration so you can see exactly what it looks like.
Alrighty guys, so I'm going to go ahead and show you everything that the key fob hidden video recorder comes with. So the first thing we'll notice when we open up the box here is of course the recorder itself. So if we take it out of the little packaging, take a quick look at it, we'll be able to notice that it really does just look like a normal key fob. There's nothing too out of the ordinary about the device in general. I am going to show you everything else that it does come with. So here, once we take out the little inner liner, we'll notice that we have our USB charge and data cord. So that's what we're going to use to charge and transfer the information. And of course, we have our manual. So the manual is just going to give you a general rundown as to how the device works and operates. So now what I'm going to go ahead and do, I'm going to show you how to actually use the device. So we're going to insert an SD card here in just a moment and get that going for you. So you will notice that we do pop out the key and we need to slide off this little back panel. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our thumbs and just slide it straight down and then pull it straight out from the device. And that's going to reveal the USB and SD card slot. So now what we need to do is go ahead and insert the SD card. The SD card is required to do recording, so we definitely will need that. You'll notice that it does kind of just click into place there, just like so. And I'm going to go ahead and put the little back panel on just so you can kind of see what it looks like. So that way when you are doing an actual recording, you can determine that it is 100% concealed. And now we're going to go ahead and kick it on. So if you press and hold the bottom unlock button for about 5 seconds, it's going to kick it on and indicate it's in standby mode with that red LED. So now what we're going to do is if we do a single press on the middle trunk button, that's going to take a snapshot picture for us indicated by the flashing LED. So you'll see here in just a second, just like so. And then when we want to create a recording, we're actually going to press and hold on that middle button. And we'll do that here in just a moment as well so you can see. But what's going to happen is that red LED is going to flash a couple times and then turn off completely. That's indicating to us that it is on a recording now. So if we'd like to turn the device off, what we would do is we're going to go ahead and press the unlock button one time, and then we're going to press and hold it to then enable and turn it off. So you'll see the red LED comes back on, and we press and hold to turn it off. And that's it.
Alrighty guys, so here we are in our retail storefront, and we're going to go ahead and show you a quality demonstration of the key fob hidden video recorder. So please keep in mind, all the video and audio that you're currently about to see and hear is being recorded by the device itself. So we're going to go ahead and do that for you real quick. So,
how you doing, Alex?
Good, how are you?
Doing good.
Well, this is something that we've been doing for many years in our storefront, testing the video and audio quality of our products.
Awesome. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to hand it over to you, and we're going to do a quick little distance test for it. So this is the quality demonstration at 10 feet. This is the quality demonstration at 20 feet. And lastly, this is the quality demonstration of the key fob hidden video recorder at 30 feet.
the flip-out key fob camera has a battery life that lasts for about an hour and a half on a full 3-hour charge, while capturing audio and high-definition 1080p video. When you need to recharge the battery, remove the cover and connect the provided USB cable to your computer or wall plug. A micro SD card will fit right there as well, which is where all your video is going to be stored. And when you need to review that, you can plug the camera directly into your Windows or Mac computer using that provided USB cable to play back these files. You can play them back using Windows Media Player, VLC Media Player, or iTunes. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to reach out to us, or feel free to leave a comment down below and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. And of course, if you did enjoy the video, please drop a like, and don't forget to subscribe for future tutorial videos.